Welcome to our first vlog of our Van Life Europe experience.
In this vlog, we're bringing you along on our 32-hour ferry ride from Portsmouth to Santander.
Taking you to our first campsite in northern Spain.
And exploring Gijon and the beautiful free overnight parking we found there.
So sit back and enjoy the vlog.
Oh my god, so we've just arrived at Portsmouth. We're like in this queue for the ferry. I've just hopped out the front and got the camera and I'm going to show you around a bit.
Yo!
Hi!
We are some excited people.
We are, aren't we? We're way too excited.
I don't know what to do with myself.
It's cool seeing all the other like campers and stuff out, isn't it?
There's loads of campers.
Everyone's got really cool campers. And then there's just a lot of normal cars as well. We're in the big boy lane though, we've got a massive van in front of us.
Big boy lane, 'cause we're big boys.
Yeah, big boys.
Big boy crew.
I feel like a big boy opening the big boy van as well.
Oh yeah. But yeah guys, we're gonna get on board in a minute. We're gonna wait for that, but we'll be sure to keep you with us on the way through.
Yeah, in check-in we only literally just gave both of our passports and our ticket that we printed off on a PDF, and that was it. And then they gave us this thing, which has our number and everything on it. So yeah.
We've got a cabin.
It's so worth £100.
Yeah. Do you want to run through what happened?
So, yeah, obviously we could only have the reclining seats for like €10 each.
And they weren't bad, we're just quite picky.
Not bad, but to be fair, I did start like trying to sleep in it, and I knew just not going to get to sleep at all, maybe like 2 hours. But then we asked them to put us on a waiting list if people didn't come.
And fortunately, a lot of people didn't come because we were about 8th on the list. So now we have a cabin, which we're going to go look for now.
It's me. I'm just coming to say. I'm just coming to say.
It's sunny at most days. You'll never see the sky if you keep looking down. And if you take the wrong way, and maybe you should stay instead of turning around.
In our ferry we get a continental breakfast included, which actually looked okay. There was actually quite a lot of options, and if we got a continental breakfast,
Loads of stuff, I just took it all.
yeah, or you could pay an extra $5.70 and get a filling dish, which looks quite nice as well. Not
That
gonna
looks
lie.
so good.
But you also get the continental as well. We got a cappuccino, which was actually included, wasn't it?
Yeah,
and a
and
drink,
orange juice
and
and all
orange
that.
juice. So
Doing well.
kind of all value for money, good
Yeah.
value. But yeah, we're going to eat this now, and then we will do you in the way.
Yeah.
I know that you're in the open, hoping that you're
Hi.
So we've just made our way up to the sun deck, which is the 10th floor. It's quite windy and breezy and cold up here, but it's nice to get a bit of sun
Yeah,
to
really
look
nice.
out over the sea.
We met a couple of nice couples last night, didn't we?
We met a couple of really nice couples. Yeah, the one couple knew us from Instagram. They've been following us and following our builds, so they came straight up to us when they saw us, which was nice. It was a bit
Yeah.
weird. Next we had know they were, but it was really nice. Probably spend a bit of the day with them today.
Yeah, we're going to go find them, aren't we?
Probably go find our friends soon and yeah, pass the time.
Nice.
So we'll see you in a bit.
Yeah.
okay. Don't stay looking out the window. And how late do you plan on going?
We've got a feast.
Yeah. It's pretty good.
Yeah?
We've got beef, lamb, and you get starters and pudding. It's too much.
You get starters, pudding, and a main.
I think for English we took everything that we could because it's free.
Naps and bread. Why not? But yeah, it looks good.
Looking out the window. And how late do you plan on going?
What are we doing?
We're playing Sputo.
Sputo.
Which is an Italian card game where you...
What does it translate as?
spit on you. Spit.
Like that. And
I got shot.
who won between you and Marcus? Your first time playing, you won. Yeah.
Only just.
And now it's the
I just
rematch.
allowed her to win.
Yeah, you allowed her to win.
Who's being a nice guy?
Who's being the nice guy he is. Okay, so it's the rematch.
Yeah.
Good luck.
Let's go.
Actually, no, can I see you guys shake hands? Because this is getting personal. Good luck. Yeah.
All the things you don't know. There's so many reasons you should care.
No, do it, cazzo.
The sun is setting down soon. You'll never see the stars when you're
Winner! Loser! Winner!
in the night.
How'd you feel, Nick?
I feel demoralised.
Okay, guys, so we are 9 hours away now, we think. Look at me that. They're like watching me like it's a live performance.
TV show.
Yeah, Marcus and Sevilla bought a bottle of wine with them, so we're having a glass of wine now, and then we're off to bed, and we will see you in the morning when we are leaving the ferry.
Yeah. So in the night. Bye. Bye.
And we're back.
Oh, that you'll be open, hoping that you'll be okay. Don't stay looking out the window. And how late do you plan?
So we've just been to Lidl and we've got all of our fresh stuff. So we're just going to unpack it all now and head to our first camp spot.
So we got all the essentials.
Just got like all the vegetables and the fresh stuff, avocados, little ice cream things,
Hummus, cheese, milk,
tomatoes.
lots of tonic, lots of gin, lots of beer.
Yeah.
And we're just going to unpack now and then head to the first campsite, I think.
Don't stay looking out the window. And how late do you?
We've just got to this campsite. We'll put the name of it up here on the screen. You can see where we are. There's literally a beach right here. It's actually a stunning campsite. It was €22, so we're going to go to the beach this afternoon.
Welcome to the playa.
Woo!
Made it to the beach. We're very relaxed now. Taking a bit of a chill. I think we're just going to relax on the beach for a bit and head back, make some dinner.
See you at dinner. Is it good? So good morning. It was a little bit overcast today in our campsite, so we've decided we're heading to the town of Gijon. So because it was overcast, Harry decided to do a bit of gymming outside. He brought all of his weights with him from home, so yeah, he got on with some gymming. I made him a little protein smoothie thing. We tried out my picture billet for the first time with our inverter, and it worked really well, didn't it? Nothing blew or anything, so that was good.
Absolutely fine.
It's a 600 watt smoothie maker, and the inverter's 1100, so it's fine. Then we had breakfast, so we had, what did we have?
We had a fried egg on some toast, which was delicious.
Yeah, that's
And now we've decided, because it's overcast, we're going to head to Gijon, which is one of the local towns,
Yeah.
and just explore the town for the day, and then stay in a free park up overlooking the town overnight. So we will update you.
when we get our postcards, because we're postcard collecting.
See you in Gijon.
See ya. Hola, mi amor.
Hola and welcome to the beautiful city of Gijon. I think
Oh,
it's a town maybe actually, I might have got that wrong.
might be a town.
But some fun facts about Gijon for you
Oh.
is it was founded in the 5th century BC, so it's about 2,500 years old. It's famous for its amazing fish, because it's a bit of a seafood village, as you can see. And it's famous for this beach that we are currently sat on, which is San Lorenzo Playa.
Playa.
Looks quite nice right now, the sun is out. We've got a nice little cerveza. We've got some nice free olives and some little bit of pizza, I think, for free.
Yeah. And limonada?
This looks delicious. But yeah, we're just going to explore the city, take you guys around with us.
Show you the spots we get up to.
Show you the spots we get up to.
I see you from across the room. I don't know what to say to you. I don't think I can avoid you all night. I can't stand this place no more, but I'm still here, don't know what for. You know that I've been waiting all night.
Are you joking me? There I was trying to get a sick little shot of the stairs down there, and that's the price I pay.
Completely wet.
The things we do for you guys, huh?
Yeah, you're welcome.
You're welcome. Enjoyed the shot. I'm fucking soaked.
Oh, babe. Okay, never mind. We move.
We move.
Oh, wow. Oh my God.
Something about you supernatural.
Can you see our car?
Okay, so we have just got to our park up for the night. It is a beautiful little spot. We're just chilling right now. As always, we will link the park for night in the description below. It's totally free. There are toilets for 40 cents a go. So I think we're just going to go in there together, 20 cent each. But yeah, it's a beautiful little view. And we're just going to chill here for a bit, make some dinner later and just totally relax.
Nice.
Might get the drone out later, get some cool shots. So welcome to this amazing park for night we found. It is right up on top of the hill. There is some lovely views. Our friends that we met on the ferry, Sabia and Marcus, have joined us for the night.
It's good to see you guys. How you doing, man? Good to see you, man.
So we're gonna nestle in now, have a few drinks and watch the sun go down. So that's it for this vlog, guys. Our next vlog is going to be posted this weekend, where we'll be exploring the west coast of Spain and northern Portugal.
So if you guys want to get notified of when our next vlog is out, then make sure you're subscribed and you press the little bell button.
And why not follow us on Instagram to get regular updates of where we are and when our next video is going to be posted.
See you this weekend.